Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how to see the backup photos inside your Google Photos. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, first things first, you have to go ahead and make sure that Photos is installed in your Android phone. Now, let's go over to our Play Store right here. And once you're here, you want to go ahead and search for Photos. Click Google Photos and make sure that Google Photos is up to date. So just go ahead and click update if it is available on your phone. And once that's done, you want to go ahead and click open. And once you're inside Google Photos, this is all of the backup photos. Now, as you might see, some of your photos will not be included in here. So if you don't see your latest photos being backed up right here, it means that you have used up all of the free storage. So just go ahead and click unlock storage discount and you will go ahead and get more storage if you need to back up more photos. But if you want to go ahead and delete some of these photos right here, because apparently Google will back up every photo that you take inside your phone, you are free to do so. And once you have deleted some photos right here, you want to go ahead and click on library. You have your albums right here and you also have your trash. So make sure to also go ahead and delete that photo inside trash. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.